roast turkey by Louise Bennett. Yeah, Lord will wash the chest apart. It should be fire first. Hello, Christmas comes evening. This Mary Turkey Day. This turkey with a hot party. I was strolling for the place. When him and yet I'm starving down. Just fierce and fierce. The turkey stop. The dog drop. Licking up and walking. And let her die. I'm the ghost and the turkey. Miss Mary Ballot. Steal the turkey. In the dark. Poor soul. Woman will not feel hard. But at time, the turkey cool. Poor Marie. This a girl outside. I swear I have to beat.
My name is Chanel Jonas. What I know about Miss Wu is that she was born September 7, 1919, and she died July 6, 2006. And I knew that she did poetry and drama.
My name is Crystal Francis. What I know about Miss Lou, she loved white rice with curry chicken and limeade and sardine fritters.
My name is Dominic Brown, and I know about Miss Lou. She's a great storyteller. She likes to talk fatwa, and she likes to write sentences.
My name is Jake Pandel, and I know that Miss Lou talks fatwa, and she wears bandana and she makes poems.
My name is Sandra McCray, and Miss Ludi love butter, and guess what? She got Excelsior High School.
My name is Alia Raymond. I know that Miss Lou's favorite food is sardine fritters with limeade.
My name is Mrs. Taylor Morgan. I'm the principal at Louise Bennett Overley Primary School. And today, September 6th, we're celebrating Miss Lou's 105th anniversary of her birth. Tomorrow is the actual birthday, that's September 7th, but school will be out. So the school was renamed after Miss Lou. It's now Louise Bennett Overley Primary. And today, there are several activities happening. We have JCDC here with us. We also have different activities in terms of drama, singing, music, poetry, etc. We also made Miss Lou's favorite food, sardine fritter and limeade. We also have Dr. Amina Blackwood Meeks. She has adopted the school, as our culture coordinator had said earlier. And this is her first event with us for the partnership with the adoption. And you would have seen her in our assembly hall with some of the students, and she's doing storytelling with them currently. So it is a packed day. Our culture coordinator has some activities and competitions planned for the students, and mini Miss Lou, etc. And so we are just embracing Miss Lou's legacy